Discipline is one of the most important qualities for success and happiness. It helps you control your actions and focus on your goals. Without discipline, it is easy to get distracted or give up when things get difficult. When you have discipline, you make a plan and stick to it. You do what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. This builds good habits that help you improve every day. For example, if you want to learn a new skill, discipline helps you practice regularly. If you want to be healthy, discipline helps you eat well and exercise consistently. Discipline also teaches patience. Success does not happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and many small steps. When you are disciplined, you keep working even when you don't see quick results. This attitude is what separates those who succeed from those who give up too soon. Another important role of discipline is managing distractions. In today's world, there are many things competing for your attention, like social media, entertainment, and other people's opinions. Discipline helps you stay focused on what really matters. It lets you say no to things that waste your time and energy. Discipline is not about being perfect or never making mistakes. It is about being consistent and committed. Sometimes you will fail or feel tired. Discipline helps you get back on track and keep moving forward. When you master discipline, you take control of your life. You stop being a slave to habits, emotions, or other people's expectations. Instead, you create your own path and shape your future. In summary, discipline is the foundation for mastering your life. It helps you build good habits, stay patient, avoid distractions, and keep going despite challenges. By practicing discipline every day, you can reach your goals and live the life you want.